Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deelii, and today's video is everything you need in your emergency school kit 2022. Okay, I did one for 2021. Now I'm doing one for 2022. So before I get right into this video, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification to be notified every time a girl upload a video. Also, comment down below video ideas that you want me to do later on in the future. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So I have pockets. I have this one that was in the video last year, and I have this one which wasn't in the video. I had a smaller one, so now I had two, but some of the things can't hold in my kit, so I'm planning to get a bigger size to this one because it's a makeup bag that I'm using as a kit, and this was also a makeup bag that I got with makeups. So I'm in the process of trying to get a bigger kit. So we're going to go into the, let me see, first the smaller one. So in this one I have tissue papers. We're going to always need tissue paper. Then I have a body powder from Gold Bond. It's healing medicated body powder for controlling odor, relieve age, and absorb moisture. And yeah, so I have the little bottle to go in the kit. Next, I have my deodorant. It's aluminum free because I'm allergic to aluminum. So this really helps. So you girls that are allergic to aluminum can try this. It's rosemary and the mint scent. Next, I have a hand sanitizer. I have a lot of hand sanitizers in my bag, but in the case that I don't want to go in the pockets of the bag and I just grab the kit, yeah. Oh, the powder kind of powdered up the hand sanitizer. So next I have eczema, so I always have my eczema cream. This is beta quart, yeah. So I always walk to my eczema cream. So that's it for this bag. So let me pack them back and take it up. Sorry. Outside of the bag I have baby wipes. So this one is a pamper sensitive baby wipes. It's not the flushable ones. I'm trying to get the flushable ones also, so that will also go into my kit. I'll be transferring the wipes into the smaller wipes package thing, so it's easier to carry. So moving on to this kit. So first I have a spray. Some always gotta smell good. We don't want to smell crusty, just so the roll on. Always want to smell good. So I always have my spray. Then I have pain pills, but what I do is, this is the nighttime one. I had the daytime and the nighttime one, just the package to show, and I put it in small bags and then write if it's daytime or nighttime on it, and I have it in the kit, so I always have pain pills on me. So next is a lotion, and because I have eczema, you'll basically be seeing a lot of things with eczema. So it's a Vino eczema therapy daily moisturizing cream for relief dry, itchy, and irritated skin. So I've been using all of the eczema therapy things on my skin, and you can see my skin has been clearing up except for the animal. If you want another update on my eczema journey, I can also do that video for you guys, so just comment down below if you want that video. So as I say, that's the lotion. Then I have, oh, see little package, I have a clear sparkled lip gloss and a lip balm for my lips. So these are not pulled, these are the new ones for this upcoming school year. So the ones that were pulled are still in use, but I like to do new things for new year. Next I have a mini brush. Let me see, I have an edge brush, but I wanted to work with a little toothbrush. I use a little toothbrush as a edge brush. Yeah, and the hair wax gel that I use on my edges. So the brush, the hair wax gel. Next I have hair ties and bobby pins. So hair ties and bobby pins. So to catch up my hair, and in the case the bobby pins is to secure the hair. So I have a comb in the case that it's my natural hair. I have that day and not braids, or my hair isn't in cornrows. So I have a comb. It's a little comb, nothing too fancy. I will have a bigger one so if you can manage my hair, but the little one is to just fix up the front of the hair. Next, that every girl needs in their kit is pads. So I have pads in my kit. Always walk with them. I don't know when Madam Sister or Madam this is going to decide to pop up on you guys. So always walk with pads. And I also have panty shield in case of anything. In the last run of the period, if you don't want to wear the pads, you can wear the panty shield. I do. I don't know if anybody else do, but I do. Next, I have a underwear. So I have the underwear in the bag in case I messed up. Every girl need that. And I also have masks, which is not in the bag as yet. As much as in Jamaica, the mask lifting is banned, but I still wear my mask. So I always have mask on me. And what else am I missing? And gum. I'll always have gum or something sweet, because your mouth, when you eat lunch and then things there, just go want something to sweet up that mouth and take up that stench out of the mouth. So that's what's in both of my emergency kits. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.